start of the hike.
Hell yeah, baby, hell yeah.
In Glendalough, taking a quick snack break. Haven't even started yet, but we don't have any food in us yet, so except
Maybe
this guy,
it's
still
gonna be
fat
kinda lit.
porky.
Maybe it's lit.
We are about to get ready, about to get going.
Maybe we're just done lunch.
Maybe we're just done lunch, done scranning, and we're gonna get going now.
Hell yeah.
Start point.
We've recorded this for Strava.
Scout Door Boys, we are active.
Maybe it's the Scout Door Boys YouTube video.
Scout Door Boys, going a little off track.
Maybe we're kind of lost a little bit.
Maybe we're very much lost,
Well, you know,
but here we go.
we're making progress. You gotta go up to go down. Insert like the rig. Instagram reels.
First summit of the day. Line work done. We're gonna get there eventually. Peep the view. Fucking hot. You can see over there. That's where we'll be going tomorrow. Scout Door Boys.
Maybe we're trying to find the campsite.
On the hunt for the campsite. No clue where we're going. Epic. That's our first slaughter of the day.
Taking some photos, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Some little casuals. Update, we are completely lost. We have no clue where we are. We are scaling down the side of a mountain. Our view right now. Straight trees. Absolutely no clue where we're going. First people ever to see this waterfall because of how lost we are. Crazy. Teeny bit more.
yeah, we may be about to make it on the way down.
We've seen some of these weird planter things. Close enough. Maybe that's what we're looking at right now. We still got to go down there.
Okay, but this
Scout Door Boys out. Finally,
maybe we made it to the bottom and we're at the road now.
we've made it to a road. It's rolling.
From up there.
And this is where we came from. All the way up there.
Show them over there, look.
And that's where we were even before that.
Stop it.
Up there. We have reached Barvor Car Park. There's some cows.
Some little cows. Barvor Forest. Steak dinners tonight?
Barvor Forest. Here we are.
Steak
Not
dinner.
unfazed. Finally settled in. Getting some water. Gonna make some tortelloni and pesto. It's the tent, looking absolutely solid. Rome taking a little piss. Luca's probably hiding there like a little pussy boy. In the tent now, cooking up some tortelloni. Me and Luca. Rowan in the back, being a little sussy monkey. I'm just about to go to bed. They're watching a cheeky little movie.
Maybe it's bedtime. Maybe we're gonna go
Maybe we're gonna go catch some Z's.
quick 15s.
A few quick 15s. Okay.
Little 40 winks.
Scout Door Boys.
Out.
Survived the night. Barely. There were scary people outside our tent that were gonna kill us.
Okay, so maybe we got a little scared.
Okay, we're gonna make some breakfast now.
Peace.
Breakfast being made, looks absolutely delicious. Bosh. hiding the bags. Just about to go up Lugnaquilla straight after this. We're ready to go. Started walking to Lugnaquilla start point. On the road from now. Outdoor boys lost again.
We're kind of currently lost right now.
No clue where we are.
Deers in this little patch of open area.
There was 3 right over there.
But, lost. We didn't really find anything else helpful.
No, we followed up a stream for about 30 minutes maybe.
Maybe 30.
30 minutes, and now we're here. We're gonna keep walking up to that little patch in the trees over there. Update you later. Scoutdoor boys.
Out.
We have found a way to a path.
We're on a path right now. Okay, found the fence, so it must be a path.
Found a fence. Yeah, you can see it there. So we have found a path as well. And we can see Lug, it's in our sights. Right up there, baby. We'll be there in absolutely no time now that we have a path. Scoutdoor boys.
Let's get this.
Maybe we're at a heart-shaped lake, maybe.
Because our love for all our fans.
We love the
like and
Scoutdoor
subscribe.
boy.
I love Toledo.
Like and subscribe, guys. And remember to put the notification bell on.
Follow and share.
Do all of them good stuff to see us do more videos like this. Capiche? Scoutdoor boys. We made it to the top of Lugnaquilla. Here we are. There's the cone. It was really easy. We got up there in like 20 minutes, easy. We like ran up it.
More like 22, 21.
Yeah, something like that. Might work, no reaction. Here we are at the top of Lugnaquilla. There's the car. Update. We've ascended a good bit. Or descended, sorry.
Like loads.
Loads.
Yeah, we're back
And
where the
now
deer
we're
were.
back where the deer were.
Maybe if you're an actual follower, you'd realize where we are.
We've got an hour to get back down. We should make it.
Should be
We'll
light
see.
work.
It's a race against the clock. Scoutdoor boys.
Out. Yeah. We're back. We're about to cross the bridge. It's a bit of a wet journey, but